ভাই জল দে কমসে কম।
Okay, so please pay attention here everyone. अभी मैं फिर से कुछ क्वेश्चन आप करना चाहूंगी आप सभी को निकॉन के बारे में और आप सभी को उसका आंसर देना है एंड आफ्टर दिस आई विल गिव यू आप लोगों की तरफ से कुछ आंसर हमारे पास आए और वही आंसर की तरफ से वी विल गिव यू द एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस ऑफ Z9. What is the megapixel? Can you answer anyone, all the visitor? What is the megapixel of Z9? Yeah. What? 45. Yeah. In the Photo Tech Expo of 2022, you can see here wedding zone, fashion zone, the Z9 zone, the telepad zone, and the lens telephoto zone. You can see here the extra zoom lenses you can see, and you can use this. There is an upstairs on the hoarding of the Nikon. You can see in the front of the stall also. You have to visit there with the Nikon and Z9 counter. There is is a artist who is juggling artist, we can say. He is creating so much of moment with the objects of juggling, and you have to create it and you have to capture it from the. For this, there are two people, two models who are sitting so beautifully in the wedding zone. You can take capture. You can capture the lenses from the wedding zone also. The fashion zone we have created also. In the fashion zone, there are one model who is always posing for you. You can capture through the Nikon lenses. So keep it on, everyone, and we are so much happy that you are all here in the photo expo of 2022 Rakshitan from Nikon India.
What you know about rolling down?
So one more time, this is the time to announce everyone, all the visitors who are present here in the Nikon stall as well from the Phototech Expo of 2022. And this is the immense pleasure of welcoming you all the visitors in this occasion as we are all enjoying the Photo Expo 2022 as capturing all the photographies and the scenario on the lenses of the Nikon. Recently, Nikon has announced their flagship of mirrorless camera, the Z9 and the array of S-series lenses of the professional videography, which has received fabulous response from the professionals as usual from the worldwide. So this is an explanatory and explanations from all the Nikon staff, and they kindly visit to our Nikon stall, do hand-to-do experiences on the remarkable Z-series and full-frame mirrorless Z9, Z7 II and Z6 II with variety of its lineup lenses. 28 to 75 mm f2.8, 24 to 120 mm f4, 40mm f2 and 28mm
Check out the
f2.8
DSLR set
and
also.
the DSLRs and D78 and D85. Today is a great opportunity for all those sports photography and the wild photography who are attached to the wildlife photography. We have the telezoom lenses 500 pf and 100 to 400 mm, f4.5 to 5.6 with mirrorless ZN and the Z9. Please visit our telephoto zone in gallery, which is just in front of the Nickel store. And I would like to tell you everyone, you have to go to the upward stair and to visit the telephoto zone. And please step out on the demo zone lens. The lens demo zone we have from the Nikon. You have to go there for the demo of the lenses from Nikon. I would request everyone to please visit to the demo lens zone. Lens demo zone for the essence of mirrorless Z series lenses, and also visit our micro zone. Also visit our macro zone to visit and experience the micro lenses from Nikon. You have to experience the micro lenses from Nikon. You have to visit the macro zone, and I would definitely request everyone to go there to visit 105mm f2.8 and 50mm f2.8 lenses there, and you can visit here, you can experience all the macro zone through the and all the micro lenses from Nikon as usual. And today we have 7 zone today as well, wedding zone, fashion zone, and today we have all those zones from the you can see from the Z series, Z9, from the all total telephoto zone, telepad zone, and we would like to announce everyone, all through the visitors who are come here, and along with their pictures you can capture through the Nikon lenses. Please happily enjoy this time in the photo. Nirali from Nikon Stall it is. One more time, a good evening to all the visitors from Nikon Stall and the Photo Expo 2022. And thank you for coming here and joining the Nikon Stall one more time. I take immense pleasure to thank you and welcoming you all the visitors all along. And this is the time I would like to give you a brief introduction about the Nikon India. Nikon India was incorporated by 1st May of 2007, a 100% subsidiary of Nikon Corporation Tokyo. Nikon India has distributed, market and services the complete range of Nikon imaging product. Nikon trustworthiness and creativity include Nikon mirrorless, DSLR, Coolplex and short optics, range of Nikon lenses and accessories. Nikon has announced their flagship mirrorless camera, the Z9 and the array of S-series lenses of the professional videography, which was received fabulous response from the professionals as well as the photography enthusiasts. Kindly visit our Nikon stall and to hands to experience of the remarkable Z-series and full frame mirrorless Z9, Z7 II and Z6 II with variety of S lineup lenses. I would like to announce the name of the lenses also as usual. 28 to 75 mm f2.8, 24 to 120 mm f4, 40 mm f2, 28 mm f2.8 and check our full frame DSLR D780 and D850 as well. We have another types of lenses and DSLRs also. And demo zone with experience of essence of mirrorless Z-series. We have 7 zones throughout the Photo Expo. Today 7 zone from the wedding zone or fashion zone.
टेक्नोलॉजी से कनेक्शन यहाँ पे सेतु बना था।
object. You have to focus on the juggling object. And let's see how will be the capture from the Nikon lenses also.
হ্যাঁ হতে পারে